Hey guys, this is Saurabh Naik from Allbot Technologies, and in this video I will show you how you can use two SIM cards. As you can see right now on the screen, I am using Reliance SIM card as well as Jio SIM card over here, and there are networks like full networks available. Not just that, I am also using an SD card. Yes, I am using three of them at the same time on a device which is having a hybrid SIM slot. So if you know what the hybrid SIM slot is, you can just use two SIM cards or one SIM card plus SD card. But I am using all the three of them at the same time, which is amazing. So it is very simple. All you need to get is this particular adapter, and once you have this adapter, you can insert an SIM card in this particular adapter. So once you have this adapter, all you need to do is just get two SIM cards and SD card, remove the SIM tray from your device and put the second SIM in the SIM slot and put this SD card in the first SIM slot. Once you do that, just put the other SIM card in this particular adapter which you want to be as the SIM 1. So just put it like this, and once you are done, all you need to do is just put this SIM tray in the device like this. Once you put it halfway, all you have to do is just keep that chip which is present on this adapter on this SD card like this, and you have to push this SIM slot inside so that it can read both the SIM cards as well as SD card at the same time. It is a very simplest method. I know a lot of you guys might be wondering it is slightly difficult. So for you guys, I will be showing you step by step. Just wait for a few seconds. I need to show you the proof that it is working perfectly fine. So here you can see that I am already getting both the networks, which is Reliance network and Jio network, and VoLTE is also working. So that's great. You can see that both the SIM cards are working. Not just that, it is also reading the SD card. So that's great. I have the 16GB SD card and it is reading that also. Now let me show you. It is very simple. So this is the SIM tray, and if you insert two SIM cards, it will look something like this. But we need to put a SD card over here instead of the SIM card. So let's put the SD card over here like this, and then you have to put that chip. The chip is very thin, so you have to place it something like this in that particular slot, and then you have to keep your one finger on it and you have to fold it a little bit like this as I'm showing you right now, and then you can insert this SIM tray in the device. So it is very simple, but some people do have a different kind of SIM slot which is something like this. So you have to just place this chip over here. It is very simple on this kind of SIM tray. You have to just place this chip over here, and then you have to keep this SD card on top of it, and then you have to insert this tray in the device, which is very simple compared to the other one that I showed just right now few seconds ago. So yeah, this is how you can use two SIM cards as well as SD card at the same time. But you might be wondering how to hide this particular thing. So for that, you can use a case which is of silicone, like a simple silicone case can solve that problem, and it won't really be visible to people. So that's how you use two SIM cards as well as SD card at the same time in a device which is having a hybrid SIM slot. Well, now the main question is where you can get this product from. Well, you can get it from simmore.com. I'll leave the link in the description box. So you can get it from there for around 1800 rupees or 19 euros. I know it is little expensive, but I have got you covered. Don't worry. I have got you covered. I have cheaper options, and you can get it for about $3 from AliExpress or eBay.com. But I have not personally tried out them. So yeah, it's up to you. If you want to take a risk, you can do that. Or if you want to just wait for my approval, you can do that. I have already ordered them from AliExpress and eBay.com, and they should come very soon. So just stay tuned to my channel and make sure you subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload those videos, and then you can buy it if you don't want to take risk. Even if you get it, you will get the refund if it is not working, or you will get a replacement. So there is no risk as such. So yeah, it's up to you. You can get this one or you can get the cheaper options. So if you think this video was helpful, do hit that like button, and let's aim for 999 likes at least. Also share this video with each and everyone. That will help them a lot. Make sure you subscribe to Allbot Technologies for more such awesome videos which are coming very soon. Also make sure you follow me on all my social media networks. Links are there in the description box. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Twitter or Instagram or Snapchat, anywhere. So just follow me on all my social media networks. This is Saurabh Naik from Allbot Technologies. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.